Ooh.
Ooh.
Bubby's approved?
Bubbies, what do you think? What do you think? What do you think? Oh, that's perfect. My name is Lauren, or Lord DIY as I'm known on the internet, and I am an online content creator, host and executive producer of my HBO Max show called Craftopia, and an entrepreneur.
My name is Jeremy Lewis. I am a tech entrepreneur working in sales, specifically in the enterprise software side. My current job is in cryptocurrency, and I'm the co-host of WildTil9 podcast.
I completely forgot to say that I'm also a podcast host.
I wondered if you were going to say that part.
I, too, am a podcast host. WildTil9! Are you ready?
Yep. You get home, and I'm like, are you okay? And you're like, yeah, I'm fine.
No, I'm not okay.
No.
I'm not okay.
Every guy knows when she says, yeah, I'm fine. She's not fine.
She's not fine. WildTil9 is a podcast hosted by myself and my boyfriend, Jeremy. It's mainly relationship and sex-based, still a little spicy.
Podcasts specifically are consumed a lot of times while someone else is doing another task. Driving, cleaning, doing emails. And we do a video and an audio version specifically because different types of consumers want to be able to experience this content however it fits their lifestyle. And so for us, it's like, let's create a place that comes every single week where people can come, hang out, do whatever they were going to do already, but either have that audio version or have that video version, be a part of the routine. Just a lot of leg.
How'd that go?
That's a lot of leg.
Was it not the shot?
We can try it again.
We'll try it again.
Creating content together is the therapy session we didn't know we needed. You use your strengths, I'll use my strengths. Yep. We can do it from the comfort of our home and talk about the most organic and real things.
It's been so long.
But we have a studio audience today.
We do have a studio audience.
We brought in a laugh track.
David!
We had a laugh. There we go.
Oh, there it is. There's our laugh track.
So this is the home studio where we shoot everything going to the podcast. And here's where the magic's made. This is like the reality of the situation when we shoot in a house. We have to be able to play the talent side and the production side at the same time. We were trying to find a solution. OWC had a solution that fixes all of my problems.
The nature of this industry is the time windows are so small. So it's just down to the day of when things need to be turned around.
By the time we shoot content, it will be posted live within a week. Typically we'll shoot on a Sunday night.
Slate.
A slate.
Slate.
That's hilarious. You ready? Great.
Okay. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to WildTil9.
We've got 3 different full 4K video files and at least 2, if not 4, audio files. That all needs to be taken off of whatever we capture on, move that over to the hard drives, and then those hard drives are put into an Uber, sent to our editor, and once we've gone through all of our edits, added in the ads, made any changes, and it's got to be ready to go by Friday because that's the cutoff day for us to be able to submit a finished file to the caption house to be able to have captions ready for the next week. The tech has to work because if you stand up after an hour and a half or you're with a guest and you've already spent 90 minutes and they have to go on to their next engagement and something didn't work, that's another week or 2 of delays to get that content out. That can't happen. It just can't. I have yet to have a piece of OWC hardware fail me. I stumbled upon OWC. It was the most natural, organic process from the first time that I just tried one product, and then oh, what else do they have? I'll try this. Oh, that works too. I want the absolute fastest speed. I want the absolute fastest connections. I want it to be able to be used in all of my devices, and I want it to perform at the best of its abilities. And Lauren would like that same piece of hardware to be dog-proof.
Wait. Wait, sit, Bubby, sit. Wait.
I'm a nice little top hat.
Wait. Okay, wait. There's no treat. Okay, wait.
Wow.
Very good, Bubbies, very good.
Okay, all right.
Durability is number 1. I'm not someone who has ever treated my equipment with the TLC that it probably deserves. What's an eject button? The other piece that I'm looking for is also user-friendly. So if he's not there, like I need to be able to watch a YouTube video and figure it out, or read a manual that's not 97 pages long.
Plug and play.
That's plug and play, exactly.
Yeah.
For someone like me who's
rip
not
out friendly.
A big nerd.
Oh, okay. So the important pieces here, the hard drives that act as both the heavy-duty transfer. It also acts as a cup holder sometimes for Lauren. The Envoy Pro FX is the perfect mixture of being able to be tough and compatible. But the important piece here is that all of our equipment is able to actually be used at the same time. Using a hub that had the peripherals that we needed for any type of Thunderbolt device. I got 2 Thunderbolt hubs. I've got one connected to every single one of my computers. In a world where every single time a new Mac comes out, there are less ports, you need that piece to be just as reliable as if it did come with the computer. We've got the Flex 8 that is like this machine that does what everything else does as an individual, but all together at the same time. The ThunderBay Flex 8 is truly as if they looked at a podcast and the way that we turn content around and goes, let's build it for them. The Flex 8 is feeding our cloud transfer all day to upload terabytes of footage. It takes 8, 12, 16, 24 hours sometimes, and it has to be quiet. It's in the same room as where we record. This camera right here is louder than that entire unit, and it's only been working for about 20, 30 minutes. This thing is being used at least 3 or 4 straight days every week since we've gotten it. We've never had an issue. Everything goes through this thing. We could not do our podcast without this unit.
I am the blanket queen. I feel like people trust my blanket quality check. And I need people to feel how soft this blanket is. Wow. The blanket is so good that it puts Jeremy to sleep.
I think the biggest thing is that it can be attainable for almost anyone. Like, we don't have a film school background. We don't have audio engineers on deck with us in the room while we're shooting everything.
And so for us, everything just has to work and it all has to fit into this tight little corner here. And this is the setup that has honestly been the iteration of over 6 months worth of trial and error. And this is what we've come up with what works. They told us these things were durable. And I know they are durable, but let's put that to the test. Okay, Bobby's good. Let's see if it works.
Oh my God, moment of truth. Hey!
Wow. Like a charm. It's Bobby's proof. Guess you're good.
It's Bobby's proof!
Was that good? Was that the best test ever?
And that's it.
That it?
That's it.
All right.
Right?
From WildTil9. See you next week.
Bye.
OWC, creativity without limits.